Hey, what's up guys? It's Blanc, your credit coach with another weekly tip. And this week I want to talk about how long can a debt collector collect on a debt. I have a debt that's extremely old, but I have a debt collector that's calling me. How long can a debt collector collect a debt? They could collect it for as long as they want. Yes, they could collect it for 10 years, they could collect it for 100 years, but legally, they can only report it on your credit report for 7 years. Okay? Reporting it on a credit report is what's called a collection activity. Now, a collection activity could be a phone call, could be mail, could be maybe an email. That's a way to collect the debt, but to report it on a credit report where it shows any potential lenders that you owe debt, it's only 7 years. But yes, a debt collector can contact you for as many years as they like to collect on a debt. But to report it on a credit report, it's only 7 years. So if you get a phone call from a debt collector with the debt is a little bit, you feel that its debt is so old, do not pay for the debt. Do not fall for the gimmicks, their verbiage that they're gonna use to try to threaten you to pay for debt that's extremely old. It's not in your credit report. And if it's not in your credit report, I wouldn't worry too much about it, especially if it's old. So I hope none of you are encountering this problem, but if you are, that's the credit coach. I'm here to help, and I will talk to you guys soon on my next video.